Hey. Are you cozy? Orbit, are you comfy? You lost $1. Are you comfy there on my dollars? Huh? Does it smell good? Do you like the dollar bills? The crispy dollar bills? Does it taste good? Do they taste good? Are you bathing in money? Is my little Orbit bathing in dollars? Oh my goodness. Ah, who's that? Is that Orbit? Oh, the pretty Orbit? It's a pretty Orbit in the dollars. Oh, does that feel good? Oh, yeah? That's a pretty Orbit. Meow. And there we go. That's what he does to my dollars.